We understand how nerve-wracking moving to a new city can be, and that is why we here at Amber Student hope to make this journey easy and more exciting. Fontessa House offers a fabulous selection of zesty ensuite and studio rooms suited to your needs as a student. With furnishings like a warm double bed, a spacious study desk and chair, a private bathroom, and lots of storage, you'll feel at home in no time. The property offers fully fitted kitchens and kitchenettes equipped with the latest appliances, helping you prepare the most delicious dishes with minimal effort. Socialize with your neighbors in the communal lounge, which are furnished with a flat-screen TV, a bookshelf, and the comfiest sofas to enjoy your favorite shows. Fontessa House provides complimentary unlimited high-speed Wi-Fi, on-site laundry services, bike storage, and more without any extra bills to worry about. You'll never have to worry about being late to class again, with the University of Chester being less than a 10-minute walk from your stay. With its fantastic location, close to Chester's city center, you'll never run out of things to do. Book your mesmerizing student stay with Amber Student today.